In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use locations in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing a business with multiple locations, this feature can be incredibly helpful for tracking your financial performance across different sites. Let's dive right into it and make sure you're set up to use this handy feature. First, let's begin by signing into QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once you're there, it's time to log in. Choose the QuickBooks Online option from the list and type in your login credentials. After entering your username and password, click on the Continue button to proceed. It's important to ensure that your login details are correct to avoid any hassle later. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the Settings menu. You can find it by navigating to the upper right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. It's represented by a gear icon, which is quite intuitive. After clicking on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the Account and Settings option. This is the hub where you can manage all key aspects of your QuickBooks account, including customizing how you track your financial data based on different needs. Next, you'll want to click on the Advanced tab on the left panel. This section includes a variety of useful features that can be tailored to enhance your business management experience. After you're in the Advanced settings, look for the Categories section. It might take a moment to find, but it's crucial as this is where you'll be able to track additional details like locations within your reports. Now, the key setting we're interested in today is the Track Locations feature. You'll see an option that reads something along the lines of Track Locations. Toggle the switch to the On position. This action will activate the location tracking feature, enabling you to categorize and manage your financial reports by different business locations. If you're working with specific location data, this can provide invaluable insights. The next step, simply remember to save your changes. After enabling the Track Locations option, there will be a Save button nearby. Click it. Saving your changes ensures that location tracking is now part of your settings moving forward. It's always a good practice to review your configurations before saving, just to make sure everything looks good. Finally, to wrap things up, click on Done. This will confirm that all the changes you've made are finalized and you're redirected back to your dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully set up location tracking in QuickBooks Online. And there you have it, you're now ready to use QuickBooks Online with enhanced control over managing different locations. Remember, keeping track of locations can be a vital aspect of understanding your business's performance across various channels, so make the most of this feature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your bookkeeping process. Feel free to explore other QuickBooks features for even more efficiency.